Hi, I'm Ian from Murton Hypnotherapy, and I'd like to just address one of the major objections that really stops people from moving forward and overcoming their driving anxiety. And the biggest objection that most people have is the doubt. Will this work for me? What if I'm the exception? And I understand it. Most of the people that we end up helping have tried a variety of different things in the past, ranging from positive thinking, CBT, EMDR, advanced driving lessons, and nothing's worked. So they're apprehensive about moving forwards. And I get it. But the crazy thing is this: your driving anxiety has been created by your subconscious mind. In other words, you didn't purposely look out to create this. It wasn't an intellectual decision that you woke up one morning and you said, I'm going to create driving anxiety. It was created within your subconscious mind. Okay, and because of that, you're now maybe fearing going on unfamiliar roads, busy roads, wide open roads, being in heavy traffic, tunnels, bridges, etc. That's been created by your subconscious mind. And from that point forward, your subconscious mind is trying to protect you. And it does that by creating anxiety, right? Guess what part of your brain puts doubts in your mind? The subconscious mind. It's trying to protect you. Its intentions are great, but that's what stops you from holding back. Stops you from getting the help and support that you need to overcome this driving anxiety. Think about it like this. Imagine that you got burgled, right? You put your house back together, the police got involved, and then you decided, you know what, I'm going to get myself a security light. Because that's what people have told you. That's well-intentioned people, or you may have done your own research. That's step one to overcoming this problem, the cheapest solution. So you install a security light for maybe £100. 3 months later, you get burgled. So you go, do you know what? I'm going to invest a little bit more and I'm going to get a burglar alarm fitted. And you have the burglar alarm fitted, and for a good few months, maybe even 6 months to a year, nothing happens. And then you get burgled one more time. Another failure. Another failed attempt to keep yourself secure. So you go, do you know what? This is it. I'm hiring a security guard. So you hire a security guard. And again, the first few months, brilliant. No burglars. But then the burglar guard starts to get a little bit more reactive and a little bit more protective. They mean well, but they're stopping you going out the front door. Right? They're outstepping their job description. So like, you just wanted to keep them safe, right, in the house. And now they're saying, oh, well, you can't, if you want to go out the front door, I'm going to have to protect you. So they go with you everywhere. They go into your meetings. They frisk down everybody that comes into the room where you're holding your meetings, right? They mean well, but they've outstepped the job that they've been asked to do. And that's exactly the same with your subconscious mind. One of the things also that stops people from moving forward, kind of tied in with this fear of what if I'm the exception, is what happens if I don't have the confidence? What happens if I don't have the skills? What happens if I don't have the level of willpower or self-confidence, self-esteem necessary? Well, another thing to think about is ask yourself this. Just say that you needed a hip operation, right? You were in pain, okay? It was causing your life to be negative, right? It was defining you and the things that you could do. And you managed to get an appointment, right, at a hospital. would you trust yourself? Or would you doubt yourself, and go, I wonder if I can do surgery? Or would you just trust the process? Trust that the surgeon had gone through university, had training, and was obviously surrounded by a team of experts? Probably, right? And that's exactly what you need to do with your drive and anxiety. Here at Murton Hypnotherapy, I don't work alone. I work with a team of experts, right? A team of experts that have helped hundreds of people overcome their drive and anxiety. Below this video, I'll share a link to my website. If you go on that website, you'll see, I think, over 25 case studies from people just like you that have had the same kind of thoughts as you. But the difference is that they've took action and now that they're living life on their terms. There's also over 110 5-star Google reviews, again from people that had a problem, stopped listening to the part of the mind that created the problem, and now they're living life on their terms. So just to remind yourself that the part of your brain that has putting doubts in your mind, what if I'm the exception? What happens if this doesn't work for me? What happens if I lose my investment? What happens if I've had this for too long? It works for everybody else but not me. That's the part of your mind that's created the problem in the first place. And if you keep listening to it, there's only one place that you're going to end up, where you are now, stuck, not being able to live the life that you'd like. So if you've reached that point where you are ready to take action, then please use the link below. Have a look on my website, have a look at the case studies, have a look at the reviews, okay? And then when you're ready, just book a consultation and we can just discuss what the next step for you looks like.